3 skincare hacks you can start today, like right now-ish. Hydration. Drink your water. Make sure there's a little bit of an electrolyte content in there so that it's not just lots and lots of water. And SPF, sunscreen, winter, summer. Here in Alberta, Canada, cold. It's cold. I mean, granted, this is our Mexico season. We're all leaving to go to Mexico. But SPF, winter and summer, super important. That's how you keep youthful skin. That is why our little grandmas that hide from the sun under the umbrella, they don't look 92. They look like they're 65 because they've hidden from the sun their whole lives. SPF is number one important. Do I have sunscreen? Sure do. You can comment, you can message, you can ask me about it. I've got great options for all skincare needs. And number 3, let's just wash. Wash our skin and exfoliate. Exfoliating is number 1. You need to get rid of that dead skin so that we can hydrate the good skin that's coming up. Get rid of all those layers of dead skin cells so that we start hydrating the good skin that is growing and coming to the surface. It is so important to exfoliate. And I have a number 1 bestseller. Comment, check out my channel. Let me know if you have questions. I'm here to help.